Before this video starts, just a quick reminder that I do also stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/focusz_TV, and you can also join my Discord, which will be linked below in the description for updates on my stream and more. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your own vanilla Minecraft server. So that's with no plugins or mods or anything. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So to set up your own server, the first thing you're going to want to do is download the server.jar file. So you can do this quite easily by opening the Minecraft launcher, and then you can go to this button here that says installations, and then I'm just going to pick this one, 1.16.3, which is the latest version at the time of recording, and you just want to click on this, and then here you can see the version, latest release. So yeah, and then there's this button here which says server with a little download icon. So if you click this, what it's going to do is it's going to download the server edition. If you get a message pop up like this, you just want to press keep. But yeah, so it's going to download the server edition of whatever the version says here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the folder where this file was downloaded, and you can do that quite easily by clicking this arrow and then pressing show in folder here. And yeah, I'm just going to copy this and move it to another folder, which I suggest you do as well, because it will generate a couple folders and quite a few files related to the server. So it's best to have a separate folder on your computer specifically for the server itself. So yes, I'm just going to move this to this folder here and paste this, and then you'll notice I have this other file here called Run.bat, and that's what you're going to need to in order to start your server. And you can make your own one of these by just going to Notepad or Notepad++ like I'm using here, and you just want to paste this that I will leave down below in the description into this file. And yeah, so this basically just will start the server with 1 GB of RAM allocated to it. So yeah, if you want to give it more RAM, you can just remove the 1 and put a 2, for example, for 2 GB of RAM, or you could change that to whatever you want really. So the next thing you want to do is you want to save this file, and this is where you need to be a bit careful, because if we save, I want to call this run, but then we need to change this, because where it says save as type here, this is going to call it run.txt, which is not going to work. So what you want to do here is you want to change this to where it says batch file here, and you can change it to that, and then it's going to call this run.bat, and this will work. And if you're using Notepad or something, what you'll have to do is you'll have to pick the option from this list that says all files, and then just type in the file name run.bat, and that will work as well. So then we just save this. I'm going to overwrite that, and so there we go. So if we go back to this folder here, and if we just double click on this file, what it's going to do is it's going to generate some other files in here, and then it's going to close itself down. And the reason why it does that is because there's this EULA file here, and we have to edit this because yeah, this is set to false, so you need to change this to true. And obviously by doing this you are agreeing to the EULA for Minecraft, and there's more information here in this link. So yes, and then we can just save this, close it, and then if you double click on this file again, then it should work and load up correctly. And here we go. So now the server has loaded, and it might open up this other window like this. So this basically just shows you the memory usage, the average tick time, and your playlist, but obviously there's no one on my server at the moment. And then this is the console, and you can type things in here to and just press enter to execute commands as console. So what we can do now is we can go to Minecraft and we can just leave this. I was in single player. But if we go to multiplayer here and then direct connection, and you can just type in local host, and then we can click join server, and there we go. So now I am on the server that we have just created, and if I go back to this, you'll see that I am on the server. So yeah, the server works. And yeah, if you want to op yourself as well, to give yourself permissions to go into like creative and stuff, then what you want to do is you want to go to this console window here and just type OP and then space and then your username. And when you're running commands in the console, you don't need to put a / in front of it. So there we go. So now I am a server operator, and I can do game mode creative, so I can fly around now. But yeah, there we go. So the server is set up and working. And just some key points to mention is that this server is currently only going to work for people that are on the same Wi-Fi network as you. Nobody else will be able to join it, and if you want other people to join it, it can get quite complicated because you have to change some settings in your Wi-Fi router. So most people just use a server host if you wanted other people to be able to join it. And yeah, a great one I would recommend is Bisect Hosting, and I have an affiliate link that will be down in the description, so you can see their prices, and if you decide to buy a server using my affiliate link, then it will also help support me. So yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you can also follow me on Twitch and join my Discord. Both of those will be linked in the description. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.